Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make group video chats on Bigo Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Tap on the camera icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see 4 options at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Multi-Guest Live. You can change the number of participants in the video chat by tapping on the numbers right above Go Live. You can tap on Go Live to start your video chat. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.